Welcome to STEM Quick Wins. These quick, hands-on activities are all about exploring science in fun and simple ways. DIY paint. Paint is a liquid material that forms a film-like layer when applied to a solid surface and allowed to dry. It is often used to change the color of objects. Typically, paint is made from three main ingredients: a pigment, a resin, and a solvent. The pigment provides color, while the resin helps the pigment stick together and to the surface being painted. The solvent, which is usually water or oil, keeps the paint in a liquid state, preventing clumps from forming and allowing for an even application. There are many different types of paint, each designed for a unique purpose.
Hi, my name is London.
And I'm Ada.
And today we are going to be making DIY paint. So have you ever painted a picture before?
Yeah.
But have you ever tried making your own paint?
No, I have not.
Today we are going to be making our own paint using our three main steps: our solvent, resin, and pigment. So you can grab your glue, which will be our resin, and you're gonna grab your scooper and fill it up all the way to the top. So 1 scoop of glue. You may need to use your paintbrush to scoop the glue out of the scooper. And then the next thing you're going to add is a 1/2 scoop of water, which will be your solvent. And you'll want to give this a good mix to make sure it's smooth. And once you get it to a consistency that you like, now we're gonna add our pigment part. So what color do you wanna do?
Dark blue.
Dark blue, okay. And this is the part where you can start mixing different colors to create all your different colors. It's about 1 to 2 drops.
The more drops you add, the more intense the color will be. Mix the food coloring in until even.
Think it's good?
Mm-hmm.
Now it's time to give it a try.
It works.
Use a paintbrush to paint a picture on a piece of paper. Make as many colors of paint as you want for your project.
Now that you've had time to experiment with your new DIY paint, you could even try adding shaving cream to make fluffy paint. I hope you had fun today. Bye!
Bye.